Plantagenet is a rural community, located approximately 70 kilometers from downtown Ottawa, at the confluence of the Ottawa River and the South Nation River. It is essentially a francophone community, crisscrossed by quiet country roads and lanes which, along with the banks of the Ottawa and South Nation rivers, all offer great sites for homes or cottages. Plantagenet is also home to numerous parks, outdoor recreation areas, libraries, and social clubs. Specialists in renovating homes, Ottawa Home Pros are able to meet your needs for small or large projects. Interior works, paint, bathrooms, kitchens, basement, additions, whole house. Exterior works, patio, deck, painting, landscaping. We are expert contractors in construction and renovation known for professionalism in every aspect of home remodeling, competitive home construction and renovation cost, completing construction or renovation projects within specified timelines. Our home renovation and improvement services in Plantagenet include home additions as well as customized home interior and exterior designs. Give our kitchen, bathroom, and basement renovation experts a chance to earn your trust and your business. Call us today at 613-288-9145 for your next home improvement project, and our Plantagenet renovators will give you a hand.